respected audience. It is a privilege to share my thoughts on subject that reflects the heartbeat of our nation. The Constitution, the voice of voiceless. Our Constitution, adopted on 26 November 1949, is not just a legal document. It is the foundation of our democracy, a protector of rights, and the strongest supporter of those who cannot fight for themselves. It grants us fundamental rights, equality, freedom, protection against exploitation, freedom of religion, cultural rights, and the right to constitutional remedies. But its true power lies in this one belief: every Indian, even the most silent, deserves dignity and justice. संविधान की सबसे बड़ी शक्ति ये है कि ये सबसे कमजोर को भी सबसे ज्यादा हिम्मत देता है. Our constitution becomes the voice of the poor who fear to speak, the women who face discrimination, the children who need protection, the senior citizens who feel forgotten, and every citizen whose rights are denied. But rights alone are not enough. The Constitution also gives us fundamental duties under Article 51A to respect our nation, protect harmony, safeguard public property, and uphold human dignity. संविधान कागजों में नहीं, हमारे व्यवहार में जिंदा रहना चाहिए. If we truly honor our Constitution, we must live its values, speak against injustice, and stand for equality, and ensure that no voice in this democracy goes unheard. Because a nation becomes great not when a few are powerful, but when every citizen is empowered. जब आवाज कमजोर होती है तो संविधान बोलता है, और जब हम सब मिलकर बोलते हैं तो देश बोलता है. Today I humbly pledge to protect my rights, to fulfill my duties, and to become the voice of those who still struggle to be heard. Because where every Indian finds a voice, India finds its true strength. Thank you. Jai Hind.